Hello everyone, it's me again, Chat. I've been getting quite a lot of requests on how to add a variety of pages when creating journals or planner inside Bookbolt. So today, I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very easy, by the way, and we'll also discuss the pros and cons of using Bookbolt's Interior Generator Pro. So please stick around till the end. I have links in the description for more Bookbolt tutorials, and if you don't have Bookbolt yet, just check out my link and discount code, all in the description. And by the way, if you're new here, welcome, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, okay? And for my subscribers, I'm always grateful for your unwavering support. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. Alright, now we are inside Bookbolt, and what you're gonna do first is click Create and then click on Create, and you'll be redirected to another page. It's this one, and you're going to click Interior Pro. That's what we need, and you'll be redirected to this page. Now you have to decide whatever size you want for your planners or your journals. So say for example, it's let's do 8.5 by 11. That's a letter size, and if it's no bleed or with bleed or with margins, without margins. So now it's time to create the interior pages. You can hit this plus button here, and let's say I want a blank page, and you can also select whatever last page you have, and for adding more pages, click on this one and then hit on this, and you have this pre-made templates already from Bookbolt. You can use these, and I've discussed this one in my other tutorial. You can check that one out. So if you want to have this one, just click on that, and then you can add more. You can mix and match pages, and if you want to delete that, just click on delete. So now what if you have other pages, or you created another page on some other apps like InDesign or Canva, and you've downloaded this as PNG or PDF or JPEG, and you want to use it here. So what you have to do is go to Upload, and you'll be redirected here, and just drop files here to upload. So let's say I have this one, so I'll just click on that one, and then I'll just use this one. So there you go. I have everything here now. So I go back to Interior, and if I click on this, these are the ones that I've uploaded, and these are my creations. So for example, I want this page, and I can also add another page, and I can add more, and maybe notes page, and I can add as many pages as I want. Interior Generator Pro will create a book interior of 240 pages at max. So once you're done with that, just download it. So here are the pages that we've created. These are the ones that I've uploaded. These are my creations. So yeah, and that's about it. So now let's talk about the pros and cons of this Interior Generator Pro. So there's a lot of pre-made templates here, or pages. So that's the first one. If you click on this, we have all these pre-made templates. That's one pros. And you can also mix and match pages here. And another thing, you can upload and use your own pages or your own creations. One more thing is you can have as many as 240 pages, and you can also select any book size that you want from down here. See, these are all Amazon KDP Amazon sizes. All right, so that's the pros. So let's talk about the cons. Know that Bookbolt is not perfect, and so there's no way to delete any page number. So if you can see here, you have this page one here. If you have a blank page over there, it will have that page number. So that's a bummer, but that's okay. And you cannot duplicate a page. There's no other way here to duplicate this one. The only way is to add it again, like that. Then I have the same ones here. So you have to add pages manually. And again, your uploads won't be saved for later use. Where you have your upload here, right? So what if I want to use this again? Oh, let's refresh this. So I have new ones. If I click on upload, my uploaded files are no longer here, so I have to re-upload them, and if I want to use them again. So that's the pros and cons of using this Interior Generator Pro. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and don't forget to check out the link in my description. As always, thank you for getting this far, and hope you smash that like button and share this on social media to help more creators like you. Bye, and I'll see you in the next video.